Let's cook! Everybody loves fried rice, and it goes with so much other food, Asian and Western. This version uses ingredients that don't need refrigeration on a boat. Start by soaking dried split peas. Again, we'll use bottled water because we don't trust marina water. Cut a carrot into slivers or matchsticks. They add color and flavor. I like basmati rice. Half cup of rice with a cup of water. We'll cook the carrots and the peas with the rice to make them tender. While that's cooking, chop 2 or 3 Brussels sprouts into small pieces. Avoid the hard core. I love the taste when fried, and Brussels sprouts keep for a long time. Chop 1 or 2 small onions. With small onions, there's less waste than using large cooking onions. Chop up a clove of garlic, or use a teaspoon of garlic powder. Now might be a good time to subscribe for more boat stuff, cooking, sailing, maintaining. After the rice is cooked for about 5 minutes and the water is absorbed, put it aside so we can use the pot for frying. For me, one of the main taste ingredients of fried rice is sesame oil. Add the chopped onions, add the chopped garlic. Fry until they start browning. Add the chopped Brussels sprouts and let them fry for a minute or so until the sprouts start turning brown as well. Add back the rice and peas and carrots to the pot. Add 2 or 3 tablespoons, about 4 or 5 squirts, of soy sauce to taste. Mix well Optionally, add a small can of flaked turkey or shrimp. On low heat, let it simmer for a few minutes. Serve. Enjoy!